Hello everyone, 1 in a billion moments in nature. Number 1. Heavy rainfall triggered a landslide in northern India that swept away trees and made people step back to safety. Number 2. By not stepping back and ignoring the rescuers, these people were knocked down by the powerful waves. Number 3. The ground shook as the Santa Teresa volcano in El Salvador erupted in the region's biggest hydrothermal explosion yet. Miraculously, people fled in time. Number 4. The wall collapsed right after they left, a miracle of luck that spared them from disaster. Number 5. Nature's artwork unfolded above Australia as altocumulus clouds stretched in flawless rhythmic lines. Number 6. Chaos erupted on the water as sea lions raided the fishermen's nets, turning their catch into a feast. Number 7. What looked like a tornado in Canada was actually a rain bomb that dropped millions of gallons of water from the sky all at once. What you're seeing is a rare purple glow, created when sunlight scattered in the atmosphere after heavy rain. Number 8. The scene looks unreal. Japan's strong winds lifted and moved the car as if it were weightless. Number 9. Heavy rains triggered a landslide that destroyed a village in China. Unfortunately, the residents had already been evacuated. Number 10. Towns in Australia disappeared under a massive flood as the dam overflowed, the roaring current covering the entire landscape. Bonus. This peculiar sea organism, known as a siphonophore, has an appearance much like strands of noodles drifting underwater. During a party in the US, a sudden whirlwind lifted portable toilets off the ground, throwing parents and kids into chaos. Such massive hail pounding down so densely, it's frightening to watch and hope everyone is safe. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.